Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below. Let me know how your day is. Welcome to our family. So, if you read from the title, I have a new subscription. Well, kind of new. This is called the Test Tube, New Beauty. Now, this is a skincare subscription, and occasionally you might get a little bit of makeup. But I used to do this like almost 2 years ago, a long time ago. I think I unboxed one of the very first boxes, and I did it for a few months. This is a bi-monthly subscription. It is $28.95 plus shipping, but after a while, other subscription boxes were putting so much skincare on that I was like, I had so much skincare that either went bad or I was giving it most away. So I stopped getting it. And then my friend Lisa Smith was like, did you see what's going to be in the new box? And I was the winter box. And when I seen what's in there, and you guys will know because I always say how much I love it, I was like, all right, let me get it again. So let's see. So like I said, it's kind of new because I haven't done it in almost 2 years. So if you want to see what is inside, and what are my thoughts of it? Did it get any better? Then keep on watching. All right, so I'm on the phone here to tell you a little bit about it. So it says New Beauty's Luxury Sampling Experience. You get 8 products valued at $180 or higher for only $29.95. But you do pay shipping. I think the shipping is like $8.50. It's up there. But that's what the box looks like. And I literally just got it today, so I'm going to cut it open with you guys. The packaging is so cute. All right, so that's what it looks like when you open it up. Not too much. You guys know I like to tease you a little bit. A little foreplay doesn't hurt anybody. All right, so you get this little pamphlet. It's the same thing you used to get before that tells you about each of your products. Does it give you, and it gives you prices. Okay. And this is the package here. Now, this is a little bit smaller than what it used to be. So there are a few things on the outside that couldn't fit in here. And the one that's on the outside is what I was very excited for. All right, so let me get myself together. So this is what I was excited about. This is the Dr. Brandt Let me try that again. Dr. Brandt's Microdermabrasion Age-Defying Exfoliator. Now, in the Ipsies and everything else, we get this blue one. But I've always said, if you watch my channel, that I love this, but I like the black one better. Because they're like bigger exfoliators, and I just like exfoliating. So, when I seen this was going to be in here, I was so excited. So, this is $29.95 plus shipping. So, it's about 40 bucks altogether, but this puppy alone is $79. So right here pays for everything plus more. So I was like, yes. So I was definitely excited to get this. They definitely stepped up. They were really good 2 years ago, but they really stepped it up now. So I might continue to get this, especially since it's bi-monthly, because I think if you get a monthly skincare box, you don't finish it, and then you're going to have so much stuff, you know. So I like the fact that it's bi-monthly. All right, then this was the other thing on the outside. This is by Abina, and this is the thermal spring water. So it's full size. It has the plastic on it. I'm not going to undo it, but I would never buy this on my own because I just don't like spraying water on my face. I do use a lot of setting sprays to kind of like set the powders and everything. So that's probably the only thing I would use this for. Or what I do enjoy using this for is to spray like my shimmer shades to kind of make it pop a little bit more. So I wouldn't necessarily go buy this, but I don't mind that it's in a subscription box, you know? All right, and so this is $18.50. So let me turn you down. I'm always turning you down, turning you up. I'm still not good with lighting. All right, so that's what it looks like right there. All right, so let me show you again. This is what it looks like. It says test tube right there. Really cute. Like, this has definitely changed a lot, the packaging, and it's definitely a lot smaller. All right, so when you open it up, there's everything inside. So you get quite a few things in here. All right, so the next thing I seen, which I was happy to get, so this is dry shampoo, and this is the original. Me, because my hair is so dark, I usually get like dark brown, but If it's original, sometimes I can use it. It says on here, oil absorption, and while it doesn't have the white residue. So let's see, because that's the problem that I have a lot. And no, I don't see any white residue on here, so that's good. Oh, that smells amazing. Yep. So I'm definitely excited to use that. Let's see how much that is, because that's full size as well. Okay, so you can get this at Target, and it's $5.49. All righty. The next thing we got is from Abina. This is a Cleanse and Care hand sanitizer. Yes. I like having these bottles, this size bottle, for like the car or like at my table here, but definitely for the car. So this is something I would put in my car. And this is $10, so it's full size. All right. You can always use hand sanitizer. So then we have from Dr. Dennis Gross. This is, I have no idea. What are you? What'd you be? Melt Away Cleanser. So let's see. I have no idea what that is. All right, so that's what it looks like. I've heard of this brand. I know it's pretty pricey, but I've never tried it. Let me know down below if you ever tried it. Dr. Dennis Gross. Let me know. All right, so let's read up about it and see what this puppy is. Well, I was wrong. It's not expensive. It's only $13. Why am I thinking it's expensive? I must be thinking about something else. Okay, it says what it is. A deeply hydrating yet refreshingly lightweight cleanser removes all visible signs of dirt, debris, and makeup. All right. So I'll definitely use it as like to kind of like melt my makeup off, because I love like cleansing balms, all that type of stuff. All right, this is a really, really good box. All right, so then we have from Sunday Riley. Yes. Now, that's an expensive brand. Okay, so this is $20 because it's, of course, not full size. And it's a treatment mask. So it says this medicated spot treatment turned face mask helps clear up signs of masking. Oh, okay, so when you wear a mask, so if you break out and stuff. All right, and it helps prevent new blemishes and stuff. So I'm definitely excited to try this, and it's definitely a decent size to try. We still have a few more things in here. Wow. All right, we have a $10 gift card to Beauty Care Choices. So then we have from Flowtech, right here. I don't know what that is. Let's see. What you be? Right here. Looks like it's a lipstick. Let's see. Let me see what it is before I open it up. Yeah, it's a liquid lipstick. It's $26. It's called Flowtech. I've never heard of this brand. So that's what it looks like right there. So it's like a little sponge. And then you push this up till it comes out. Come on, Come on. Jesus. Oh my God, is this broke? No? This is good exercise. Is this broke? Okay, there we go. It's coming. It's coming. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's pretty. It's not real opaque. Let's do a little bit more. It looks more like a lip gloss, not a liquid lip, but like or maybe like a cream. Very pretty. I'm just glad it's not red. All right. So we have that. It says liquid lipstick. Let's see what it says it is, though. The struggle with lip products often revolves around the time it takes to line and fill. But Flowtech solves that problem with this lipstick, which is designed to get it all done in a few swipes. All right, so I guess right here, this part here, oh, look. See, that's the problem. You can see it's going to keep coming out. And I don't know if I like that. But that's good. You could definitely use it to, like, line your lips and stuff. Like I said, I can still see it starting to come out more. So that's the issue that we're going to have. Well, I don't really like that too much, but it is a gorgeous color. Can't deny that. I don't know if I would pay $26 for that, but it's beautiful. All right, so then we have another sample. So this is from Dr. Zenovia. This is hyaluronic acid and peptide serum. So it's definitely a size to, I like that it's a pump, that that you can definitely try it out. So this is $24 right there. All right. And what we got? I think we got one last thing. So this is from 8 Saints. This is a Cloud Whip Sea Cream. Comes in here. Fancy, fancy. What is that? Vitamin C. Okay, so it's vitamin C cream. Ooh, I like that. Vitamin C is really good if you have like sun damage. I do. I definitely have some sun damage. And so I have like little brown spots. So it has, since I've been using vitamin C, I've really been using a Sunday Riley one, and it really has been lightening up my sunspots. It hasn't took it completely away, but it really has lightened them up. All right, and so this is $28. And it says this is vitamin C and antioxidants that do it all moisturizer. Works to knock out signs of dryness, dullness, and even acne. This box was pretty good for $29.95. So we'll say $30. I don't like the shipping. It's $8.50. So it goes to be about $40. But with everything you got in here, it's definitely worth it. And I love the fact that it's bi-monthly. If this was like a monthly box, I probably would just get it for this. And then that's it. But this has really improved since I did unbox this almost 2 years ago. So let's recap really quickly what we got in here. So we have the vitamin C cream. Love that. Love the packaging as well. We have this. Like, I'm definitely going to put this in the shower tonight. This is my favorite one. So happy for that. We have the Sunday Riley mask, which I love. We have some hyaluronic acid, the serum. Love that. We got a melt away from Dennis Gross. We have some hand sanitizer. I'm going to put this right here. I'm going to put that in my car. What else we got? We got this lipstick, which is pretty. It's not real opaque, but it's more like a glossy cream lipstick. Then we have a dry shampoo, which I'm really excited for that. And we have this thermal spring water right there. Oh, and then the $10 card. I think this is really good, and I love the fact that you get this like little brochure that tells you about each product and what it's for, how to use it, has the ingredients on everything, gives you a price. I love that. So if you don't know anything about these products, you don't have to like Google it and look it up. It tells you everything on here. I like that as well. Yeah, so let me know what you think of this subscription. Have you heard of it before? Have you ever tried it? Is it something that you would try? Let me know down below. Yeah, like I said, I did pay for this box, and I'll definitely continue to get it in the next 2 months because it's a bi-monthly subscription. Let me know down below if you want to see me unbox it or not. And that's everything, guys. Don't forget to give this video a like because it really does help me out. If you like unboxings, subscription boxes, mystery boxes, we have a mystery box, another mystery box coming up, then please consider subscribing to my channel. I would really love for you to join our family. Don't forget to turn that post notification bell on. Make sure that you double tap it. That way it's on all so you get all my notifications and my future giveaways because I have a cash giveaway that's going to happen this month, so you don't want to miss that. And that's everything. If you made it this far, then leave any kind of fruit emoji, whatever emoji that you want. That way that I know that you made it this far. And that's everything, guys. Stay healthy, stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Wow, I am pleasantly surprised. It's pretty damn good. Pretty damn good.